Hi, I'm Margaret Second, and welcome to this short video of mine. Today I'm going to be talking about water features in the garden, and two of the most important factors that you have to remember when it comes to water features in your garden or inside your home. And that is the direction of the flow of the water and the placement. So two very important factors you have to remember again, I repeat, is the flow of water and the direction and also the placement of the water feature. This is one that's outside, condominium complex, and as you can see, the water flow is away from the building, so basically it's not really that great because it's going out. And it has two water features, and I think similarly the other one is the same. So again, this is can you see here? This is a water feature of this condo apartment. So anyway, so it's Margaret Second. Thank you for joining me today. Bye bye for now.